The NETGEAR Powerline Adapter PLP2000 seamlessly extends your internet connection to any room using existing electrical wiring, which is ideal for homes where Wi-Fi signals struggle to reach. With gigabit speeds supported through Homeplug AV2 technology, this adapter ensures smooth 4K HD video streaming and lag-free gaming experiences. The device features 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices, such as smart TVs, game consoles, and streaming players with ease. An additional noise-filtered power outlet is incorporated into the adapter, ensuring that your connection remains strong without sacrificing the use of an outlet. The plug-and-play setup is incredibly user-friendly, as it requires no software installation or complicated configurations, making it accessible to all users. Advanced beamforming technology enhances coverage by directing the internet signal precisely where it is needed most, ensuring a reliable and strong connection throughout your home.